that was me, Marcus, and I'm here at the first birthday party. Zaya Darby, if you're watching this, shout out to all my friends and all my other people. And that's my brother, and yeah. And here, shout out to Isaiah Darby, Freddie, Carlos, Rodrigo for liking my video, and they are my friends from Miss Beasley, 3rd grade. And make sure you put likes on Isaiah Darby and Freddie, because they're my best friends and you don't want to leave them out too. So put a likes on their video, and I think I'm about to fall right now. And make a video, put the comment below to see what video y'all want me to make, because I have no videos that I really know. So click that thumbs up button, and I'll see you soon.